Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to learn switch statement in Java. So what is switch? So switch statement is the shorthand for multiple if-else statement, which allows to choose a single path from a number of execution paths. It's very straightforward. It's an alternate way to select from a multiple, if-else statement, select one of the option. Okay, so people they can use if else, like if you have a multiple if else option, instead of using that if else option, you can use the switch statement too. Switch case is called. Okay, I can show you this what I mean. So here you can see this is a one of the multiple if else statement. So if there is a condition, and this is the body of the if the if you have a multiple the if condition statement, that time you can add else if there's another condition, and this is the body, then another else if, another condition, and condition body. So this is the another else if, and then this is the another else if, and the finally if none of them match, you will have a final else statement. It means your compiler will come to this body and it will execute. So this is called multiple the if else statement. Okay, so instead of using that, people they can use switch statement too. Okay, it's totally up to you. So you can see the declaration of switch statement. So there will be your switch, this is your keyword, and there will be variable. So you can see your switch statement works with a you can string, integer, byte, short, character, any format. Okay, so your variable should be any one of them. So here is your expression of this the switch, and then there will be multiple option, or you can say case. Okay, this is a case, or you can say condition if you compare with the multiple if else statement. So this is the first statement, first case, and for this first case you can say first case, and this is the body of the first case statement, or this is the second case statement, and then this is the body, and then this is the third case with statement. And if none of the case with statement is matched, it will come to a default statement, or you can compare with the else statement. So this is the default, and it will come to over here. Okay, so you can see the image over here, the case 1, case 2, case 3. If none of them match with your switch statement, it will come to a default statement. So here is the default statement. Okay, let's see an example. Okay, and here is my Eclipse, and I created one simple class. It's called switch demo. And here let's see that in real life, usually what happens when you create an automation frameworks, your automation script should run on multiple browsers, same script. This is assume that this is part of your automation, and now we're going to create a multiple browser option using a switch statement. To do this, let's create a variable first. So I'll create a variable. It's called, I'll type would be the string. I would say browser name. The browser name equals to, let's put I would say value of them. It will say Chrome. Okay. So this is it. And then now variable I declare string type. Now I'm going to apply this variable in my switch statement. So I would say switch. Okay, and inside a switch I will pass this variable. Okay, this variable. So as I said, switch statement, your switch expression can be an integer, a string, character, those things. So I put it over here. So, and then this is a variable string type. You can put, if you want, you can just use a method, the default method that comes with the Java. You can say to lowercase, so that your it will automatically convert. If there is a case sensitive issues happen, it will automatically convert everything, the value of this browser name is to a lowercase. Okay, so let's include the case statement. Okay, so case statement, this is the I'll put over here. Say you're gonna use it like this, so it's going to be easier for you. So let's say case. So we'll use the case keyword. In this case, option 1, say Chrome. So if it's a Chrome, if your browser name value is Chrome, so it will be matched with this option, and then you will have a body of the your case Chrome option. What will be body? I will just for now in real life we'll put the code so that it can execute on a Chrome browser your case, but here we're going to put just a simple print statement, sys out. Okay, so we'll put it here. Let's see, I will say run on Chrome browser. Okay, and then so if this statement match, so whatever the case is going to match, after this execute the body of that case, we want to jump out from this statement, whole statement, switch statement. So that's why we have to put break, because we don't need to check the next case, right? The case option. Because if it's a match this one, this is the selected one. This is the option we're looking for is match. So it's come to the body and then execute. So then we can do the break statement. And so similarly, we can add more case options. So another one would be, say, example for Firefox. Okay. Then we'll say run on Firefox browser. Then it will be, if this is match, if the case is Firefox, it means the browser name, this browser name equals to Firefox, then it will match with this option. Okay. Or we can say, you can add as many options as you want, the case option, right? So it's edge. Okay, then we'll say edge. Or if it's none of them, we can add the default one. So default, it's like a final else statement. So we'll say default. So default, okay. Default, we can say, let's see, we'll say, let's add a statement over here. I'll put over here, no browser matching. So if default will come if the case Chrome case or Firefox or Edge doesn't, none of them match, then it will come to the default. So we can say over here, no browser matching. Okay, no browser matching. No browser matching. Okay. And then we'll put a return. So I'm going to put over here return the reason why, if none of them is matched in real life, I'm talking about the giving example with the more automation point of view. So in real life, if none of the case is matching, so it means it's not going to execute on any browser. That time there is no reason to go with the other code and execute the other code, because I have to select first the browser. Then so return will be jump out from your whole execution. So your execution will be stopped. Okay. So anyway, so this is the default. So right now, if I'm just save it and then let's run it, Java application. This time, why is giving an error unresolved complete? Okay, number 4, public void main. Okay, let me see. Oh, I think so. I do have some extra. Okay, so this is the curly braces, extra curly braces, and then this one is for the main. So there is an extra curly braces I can see, and this one is this. So let's remove one of the curly braces. So I'll remove. Okay, so it should be good now. Let me run it now. Java. Okay, you can see. So run on Chrome browser, because this browser name is matched with Chrome's, and that means it found the case option. This is the one of the path is found, it's matching. If I change over here, it's called Edge. You can see. Now run it. Here we go. Run on Edge browser. Okay. And then if I say none, it means it shouldn't be match any one of them. It should come to the default. Okay. We'll run it. You can see no browser matching, because the browser name is none, so it didn't match with any one of the case option, so it came to the default option. Okay, that's the very simple, example of the case switch case statement. It's very simple, but it's very effective. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.